Hey, what's going on, musicians? It's Brendo from Powerful Progressions. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Million Little Miracles by Elevation Worship and Maverick City Music. Now, if you're just starting out learning how to play piano, then I have the perfect beginner's course for you. In my course, I teach you how to play all the songs you really want to play. So forget about all the confusing music theory. I teach you everything you need to know to start playing today. So if you ever want to play on a band or for your church, or if you just want to write your own songs, check the link in my description box. I'll see you soon. All right, so let's get straight into it. This song is in the key of E major. All right, so the song starts off like this. Let me show you what I'm doing. Left hand, E and B. Right hand. So A flat, G flat, and E. After doing that twice, they go into the verse. Same thing. Until it changes. Let me show you what I did. Left hand, A and E, right hand. Now back to the E again. So that's pretty much the verse until they change it again. So B major, A major. To the chorus. I got miracles on miracles. Miracles on miracles. Miracles. Okay, so let me show you what the chords are. It is a E major chord. So E major in this form looks like this: E, A flat, and B. I'm playing it like this or like this. Left hand, I'm playing octaves. E, or if your hands are not that big, you could just do it like this. So. And then this chord right here, it's pretty much going to be a D flat in your left hand, and you keep the same E chord, E major chord in your right. So. To the A. Miracles on miracles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Believe it or not, that's the entire song. All right, so I'm gonna add a little something extra to this tutorial just because this song is so easy to learn that I wanna show you something that I would normally do if I was playing this song at my church or just worshiping with friends or whatever. So let's say, for example, we're doing the chorus. And then the energy starts to increase. It starts to get a little more hype. So instead of going back to the 1 again, hitting this chord, instead of doing that, I'm gonna hit a 5 in my left hand. And this chord, I don't know what it is, but you guys know sometimes, a lot of times, well, we know that music invokes emotion, you know. That's how I like to see it. And if you know what chords to play at the right time, you know what I mean? Like, this is what our job is as musicians, you know, not only to accompany the singers, but also to invoke emotion with our playing. So let me show you again what that would sound like. So miracles on miracles. I can't even count them all. That's what I would add to it, you know, for the part where it's. That's just my own spice I add to it. Of course, you can do whatever you want. However, I just wanted to show you that little piece of of the hype is the climax, that little piece of the climax of the song, what you can do instead of going back to the same old chords. Again, it'll be this. So let's say for example you do the chorus for the first time. Second time around. So hitting this 5, a 3 in my left hand. I'm sorry, this ain't no D. That's a 2. So hitting this 5. Left hand is a 2, which is our G flat. Right hand, this is an A major. So So that's the end of the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for sharing these videos. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description box to see if you are interested in the piano course to learn how to play these songs on your own without somebody having to teach you how to play these songs. I love you guys. God bless. Keep practicing.